And we got the de-icer. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ron to Zach. We're back with another banger video, man. So today we are actually about to go and try to, we gotta do a couple things. We gotta pick up the front splitter, and then we're gonna actually head to the exhaust shop to put some kind of, like, give the car some kind of tone and put some bigger tips on there. Like, I enjoy the loudness of it, but like, it's to the point now where it's just, I don't know, it's excruciatingly loud. Like, you'll see, I'm about to start it up. Also, for those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to become a part of the Exotic family. You know what I'm saying? Exotic family, I gotta get y'all some merch, man. But y'all just listen to this, bro. For those who are new and don't know, Storm, this is Storm. Just take a listen. Down a little bit, but still have it like loud and with a good tone, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna be mean when we get done with her, bro. I need to put some air in this tire. I need to look at my tire. But yeah, so we are actually about to head to Exhaust Addicts, and we will see what they say when we get there. What did they say? A pull a day keeps the ride knock away. We have made it here. We are about to see what we can get ourselves into, man, because it sounds good, but like, I need it to sound better. It needs to sound more grown, a little more sexy, and a lot quieter. Because if it's gonna razz, it needs to be quiet, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna go ahead and see what they talking about. All right, so we're getting that system, guys. In case y'all don't know what that is a Gemini. I keep forgetting the last name of it, but it's a Gemini catback exhaust. Basically, that system is like $1,200, but we're getting it for a really good deal. So y'all just make sure y'all go subscribe, follow them on Instagram at Exhaust Addicts. That way y'all can see. Y'all come here and get y'all work done, man. Say what's up to the vlog, man.
What up, y'all?
What we doing today, please?
Y'all know. Make sure y'all get my boy to 3K, y'all. Y'all tweaking, come on.
Bro, we're almost there. We have like 40 more subscribers to we're at 3K, so y'all been killing it, man. Y'all been killing the views. I really appreciate y'all. Like, I really do appreciate y'all. We about to pull a Strat man out here, go about a Koenigsegg. Telling you, bro. Telling you, one day we will. One day we will own a Koenigsegg. We will own a Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport. We will own a McLaren 720S, a P1, a Pagani, a couple Paganis. Someday, one day, we will own a really nice garage and a really nice home, a beautiful wife, kids. I'm about to pull a Sammy Puri on them. A Sammy Puri. It's Puri. Oh, my bad. I pronounced it wrong. It's Sammy Puri. But yeah, man, but y'all just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We got the exhaust system sitting over there, the Gemini catback, and make sure y'all subscribe to Exhaust Addicts as well. Give them, go give them a shout, because they didn't have to do what they're doing, but I really do appreciate them. I really do. So we got the WeatherTech, and then y'all we have a front splitter, have an infinity, wrong way, have an infiniti sign for a front, it's like a front plate type of thing. And we also have a front splitter here too. Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna figure out how to put that on one day. That'll be a totally separate video. It's a black one. Never been put on, of course, but yeah, I'm excited to see how that's gonna look on the Q50. I don't know, I think I might need to get the front bumper first and then put that on there. I don't want it to look like weird, you know, it's like silver on the chrome wheels, a black lip. I don't know. I have to figure out what I'm gonna do with this, to be honest. This has shorty headers on it. That thing sounds good. That thing sounds good. That's a boiler exhaust system for y'all on the SRT Durango. That thing was beautiful, bro. I don't know, I think that is a perfect family car. We got a 5.0 pulling in, and we got He-Man pulling in too. You got here just in time. So y'all, we still need a Mayo 5 on the channel too. Hey, you wanna do what to it? He tweaking. You wanna do what to it? That's what it looks like under there, y'all. So it's officially on there. We're about to hear it in just a few minutes to see what it sounds like. The Mustang sounds good though. I'm not gonna lie to you, that Mustang sounds real good with the MBRP on there. It's got a little burp. I think that's one thing about MBRP is they make it to the point where it does crackle and pop. They get every little blah, 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 blah. Man. So we have NVIDIA on here, y'all. Got the entire system on here. Yeah. So now it's just trying to see what it sounds like. Well, here we go. Woo! They sound good. Better. This is crazy. He's letting me do the entire thing. That is insane. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is crazy. Now we are about to see what it sounds like from the outside. This was all about spread the love, spread the positivity, bro. Let people, man, that thing is wicked. Oh my God, when I tell you I'm in love with, I can't hear anything. Like, well, I mean, like, obviously from the outside of the car, you can hear it, but it's so much like, it's so much smoother now. Oh my goodness. Something about the wide body challenges that'll do it to me every time. for you, bro. Y'all, we need a 5.0 ASAP. We need a 5.0 ASAP. It just feels so nice. Like, listen to this. Listen to this. Listen. Nothing. It's just lovely. That's it. That's all. That's lovely. I love it this way. I should have done this before instead of just, I don't know. I'm like really appreciative of the route that I did go down. You know what I'm saying? You live and you learn. There will be cars that I will have that just be obnoxious for no reason, but you know what I'm saying? Right now, we just want to be clean. Just want to be clean. But we are both about to leave out. Things want to get something of us rolling out, so I'll just see y'all once we roll out. Here we go. It's like, oh my. Oh my. This doesn't make any sense. This ain't sound crazy, man. That's it. That's it for him. That's it for him, my guy. But yeah, so we are now about to just go ahead and go to the bank, deposit this money, and that's pretty much it. So I think that's gonna be the video for the day, y'all. We'll focus on that install another time. I really appreciate y'all for tuning in, man, on that bombshell. I'll see y'all next one to our video. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Keep God first, man, throughout anything in the world. Keep him first throughout anything. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.